Hey everyone, my name is Candy Villalba. I'm a student from Superior University, and today I'm going to talk about three different cultures. So I'm going to talk about Sudan, United States, and Colombia. So in this video, I'm going to make a short comparisons between these three cultures. So let's start with Sudan. Sudan is a country with 1,000 years of cultural heritage, but marked by political conflicts and economic challenges. So, despite these difficulties, its people maintain deep traditions and a resilient spirit. So, in Sudan, families are extremely close. They usually spend a lot of time together. In this country, people is incredibly respect, especially to teachers and elders. So, the hospitality in this country is really important. So it is fantastic to know how these people share everything what they have. So now let's talk to Colombia. Well, Colombia is a country with a super friendly people. So in Colombia, people love to talk and laugh. So in Colombia, families are really, really important and they enjoy being together and spend time together. So the food in Colombia is absolutely delicious. And every region has its own typical dishes. So the music and dancing in Colombia is also a big part of the culture. So now let's talk about United States of America. So United States is a country with people very independent. So in the United States, people like to do things by themselves and make their own decisions. So schools in the United States are excellent and they use a lot of technology. So the diet in United States is really diverse. So and this diet is influenced by many cultures. So the fast food in the United States is extremely popular. So many people in the United States is always busy, but they are really friendly and polite. So in conclusion, all these three countries are really special. So I think each country is completely different, but all of them are amazing in their own way. So they all have beautiful traditions and we can learn something wonderful from each country. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Thank you. Hatur Nurum. Gracias.